In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best home office desks in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. I spent a lot of time researching desks to figure out what works for the kind of office I needed in my life as a remote employee. With the convenience of the internet, I took to Amazon and searched for every desk you can think of, long ones, short ones, executive desks, everything. But once I came across QQBB's modern L-shaped desk, I knew it was for me. It has everything going for it. At 59.1 inches, it has ample space for 2 monitors, and a desktop below. On one side and the other side is holding my work computer, portable monitor, charging station, Nintendo Switch and my Yeti mic. Because I game and work, it's important to have a lot of space and the ability to move back and forth between both sections of this desk, and I can do that easily. For just $130, this desk is by far the best purchase I've had since I've become a remote worker and a YouTube gaming hobbyist. While I'm not a fan of the fabric drawer it comes with, if you get rid of it and buy an attachable one that works for you, then you'll find this desk is outstanding in both price and function. Number 4. At your desk all day isn't ideal for anyone's health, so an adjustable height desk is a great option that lets you alternate between sitting and standing. At the push of a button, the Flexispect standing desk goes between a height of 28 to 47.6 inches, at a rate of 1 inch per second in a fairly quiet, smooth motion. The large, sturdy surface area could hold any number of monitor and laptop setups. And it's easy to assemble. One Amazon reviewer said, "This desk is really as good as it gets." It was extremely easy to set up. All the tools except a screwdriver were included, and the instructions were very easy to follow. Another reviewer praised the affordability. "I think it's an extremely fair price for what you're getting compared to other electric desks." Number 3. If you need an L-shaped desk to go in a corner, or elsewhere for that matter, then this model sold on Amazon represents great value. The frame is made of steel and the desktop itself is MDF, plus a neat extra touch comes with the addition of leveling studs on the feet, which can be adjusted in order to provide extra stability on an uneven floor. Not only is it sturdy, going by online feedback, but this office desk is easy to assemble. The cassayodema also comes with a small shelf, for a monitor, or perhaps speakers, for example, which can be attached to the left-hand or right-hand side of the desk. Going by customer reviews, perhaps the main niggle with this product is the occasional complaint of a missing screw or other element, but customer service seems to resolve any such problems promptly. Overall, this L-shaped desk is great value for money. Number 2. For a sleek adjustable desk, the Airlift adjustable height desk from Seville Classics can go from a sitting height of 29 inches to a standing height of 47 inches with just a press of a button. 2 USB ports and a dry erase surface are integrated as well to the stylish design. If you share a desk, you can also set up to 3 settings with the memory feature. The Airlift desk is high-tech but doesn't offer much storage and leans toward a modern look. If you have a lot of other materials that you need nearby, you will need to plan for other storage or be okay with a lot of extra clutter on your desk. Number 1. When I was looking to furnish a home office after years of working at the kitchen table, I wanted a simple standing desk that looked nice and was easy to use. This facibo model fits the bill. It wasn't difficult to get set up, and includes buttons for 3 different programmable heights for your sitting and standing preferences. This standing desk doesn't have as many bells and whistles as some of the more expensive models, but it's simple and clean looking. I chose the all-white model, and feels sturdy. I recommend it for anyone looking for a simple standing desk option that gets the job done, and lets you work more comfortably. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.